Welcome to today's video. In today's videos we're going to talk about the top passive income ideas for 2022. Passive income is the holy grail for many people. It's a steady stream of income that doesn't require you to actively work in order to generate it. Passive income can come from all sorts of sources, including real estate investing, blogs, trusts, and much more. In this video we will look at different passive income ideas you can implement in 2022. Whether you're just starting out as an investor or are well established with years of experience under your belt, passive income is always beneficial. Let's take a look at some simple ways you can begin implementing passive income strategies into your life sooner rather than later. Sorry to interrupt the video, but please hit the like button if you get something from this video and leave a comment if you have any questions at the end of the video and I'll try my best to answer it for you. Remember, subscribing with notifications will get you in first when I upload a new daily video too. Okay, back into it. Number 1. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is the classic way to generate passive income. The great thing about it is that it works just as well today as it did decades ago. The market will always have a growing demand for rental properties, so you're investing in a sustainable business model. The barriers to entry for real estate investing are not high, so it's an excellent option for people of all experience levels. You can start small by investing in a single rental property or growing your portfolio over time. The choice is entirely up to you. If you're interested in real estate investing, we recommend reading up on the 4 different types of real estate investments to determine which one is right for you. Number 2. Blogging. Many people have gone from blogging as a hobby to generating a full-time income through their blog. It's a great way to earn passive income, but it's not easy. It takes years of hard work, patience, and dedication to build a successful blog from the ground up. If you have the motivation to create a blog and the willingness to put in the time and effort, blogging is a great way to earn passive income. The best way to get a feel for the blogging world is to start a blog on a topic you're passionate about. Once you have your blog up and running, you can monetize it by displaying advertisements, selling your own product or service, and/or partnering with other bloggers. Number 3. Dividend growth investments. Dividend growth investing is when you buy shares in a company and collect the dividends it pays out each year. As the company grows, so do its earnings. Which, in turn, means the dividend you receive grows as well. Many investors focus on dividend yields when selecting stocks because they want to maximize their current cash flow. The goal is to find stocks that pay out a high enough dividend yield to make them worth owning even if the share price drops. Ideally, you want to find high-quality dividend stocks that are likely to grow their dividends each year. This way, your passive income is tied to the company's growth as well. Number 4. Trusts. Trusts can be a great way to not only generate some passive income but also pass wealth down to future generations at the same time. There are a variety of trust types to choose from, including discretionary trusts, charitable trusts, and more. The type of trust you choose will depend on your situation and what you hope to accomplish with it. For example, a discretionary trust allows you to control the assets in the trust. You'll receive a certain amount each year from the trust and can take out more if necessary. A charitable trust, on the other hand, gives you an annual payment each year for a specific amount of time. Lastly, number 5. Exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are a type of passive investment. They're essentially baskets of stocks that track a certain index, sector, or commodities like gold and silver. You purchase an ETF, which gets traded on a stock exchange. The ETF's price fluctuates based on how the underlying assets are performing. ETFs are a great way to diversify your portfolio and lower your overall risk. You can purchase ETFs on various indexes, including commodities, real estate, stocks, and bonds. So in order to be successful in any business venture, you have to have a plan. This includes knowing what sort of passive income you want to generate and how you plan to achieve it. Once you know what you want to achieve, you can begin taking the first steps towards achieving it. Make sure you're fully educated on the passive income type you want to generate. That way, you can take the proper steps to ensure it's a success. From our list of top passive income ideas, we're sure you can find something that is right for you. Thanks for investing your time into watching today's video. I post videos like this every day, so to always keep up to date, Subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications to get in first to new videos. Take it easy.